Over a year since its debut, the Apple Watch SE is back in the spotlight as we find out whether this intriguing smartwatch is still worth it in 2023. It's time to take a fresh look at this wearable, exploring its journey over the past year and whether it still stands strong in today's tech landscape. The Apple Watch SE, introduced over a year ago, aimed to strike a balance between performance and affordability within Apple's smartwatch lineup. With a design reminiscent of the flagship models, the SE offers key features like the Retina display, robust health and fitness tracking, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Positioned as a more budget-friendly option, it brings the essence of the Apple Watch experience to a broader audience. Now, after spending over a year with this device, it's time to revisit and assess whether the Apple Watch SE remains Apple's top value pick, or if over the past few months it has been outshined by newer releases. The Apple Watch SE inherits the iconic design language that has become synonymous with Apple's smartwatches. Sporting a sleek and recognizable rectangular case, the SE shares its design DNA with the flagship models, featuring a Retina display that delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The aluminium casing not only keeps the watch lightweight, but also adds a touch of durability to withstand daily wear and tear. The seamless integration of the display with the curved edges gives it a modern and stylish aesthetic. While it may lack some of the premium materials found in the higher end models, the Apple Watch SE continues to be one of the best looking smartwatches you can buy. The SE comes packed with a robust suite of health and fitness features that make it a compelling option for users prioritizing well-being. With an array of sensors, it offers comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate monitoring, fall detection and crash detection. And the built-in GPS allows for accurate tracking of outdoor activities, making it a reliable companion for fitness enthusiasts. However, when we compare it to the all-new Series 9, we see a step up in capabilities. The Series 9 introduces advanced health sensors, allowing users to perform an ECG on their wrist or even measure blood oxygen levels. Choosing the Apple Watch SE means you get a solid set of health and fitness features, but you might miss out on the cutting-edge advancements that the Series 9 brings to the table. If you're a fitness aficionado or someone looking for the latest in health monitoring technology, the Series 9 could offer a more tailored and advanced experience. Now, turning our attention to battery life, the Apple Watch SE is reliable and offers commendable performance. With typical usage scenario, users can expect a full day's worth of battery life on a single charge. This includes a mix of various activities such as fitness tracking, notifications, and occasional app usage. Now, let's consider the all-new Series 9. With the advancements in hardware and optimizations, Apple has managed to enhance the battery life compared to its predecessors. The Series 9 boasts an even more impressive battery performance, extending the device's usage between charges. While the Apple Watch SE delivers a satisfactory battery life, opting for the Series 9 could mean you are gaining an extra edge in longevity, ensuring that your smartwatch stays powered throughout more extended periods without the need for frequent charging. This can be particularly beneficial for users who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. The latest addition to the Apple Watch lineup, the Series 9, brings forth a notable enhancement in user interaction with the introduction of the double tap feature. This innovative functionality makes the Apple Watch even more user-friendly, especially in situations where your hands are occupied. A simple double tap of your index finger and thumb allows you to seamlessly answer calls, open notifications, control music playback, and lots more. Now, weighing it against the Apple Watch SE, while the SE does deliver a solid and reliable performance, it lacks the new double tap feature introduced in the Series 9. The convenience and ease of use that comes with this addition can be a game changer for some users, streamlining daily interactions with the watch. The question then arises, is it worth paying more for the Series 9 solely for the double tap feature? This largely depends on how much value you place on convenience and whether this particular functionality aligns with your daily needs. If having a more seamless and hands-free interaction with your smartwatch is a priority, the Series 9 might be a worthy investment. However, if you find the current functionality of the Apple Watch SE sufficient for your needs, the additional cost may not be justified. It's a balancing act between budget considerations and the desire for the latest and most convenient features. The Series 9 brings lots more features to the table that set it apart from the Apple Watch SE, but it's down to you to decide if any of these matter to you. Firstly, the always-on display, which is one thing I personally miss having on my wrist, offers users the convenience of checking the time and other essential information without the need to even lift their wrist. Moving on to health features, the Series 9 introduces advanced capabilities that the SE just does not have. The ability to measure blood oxygen levels provides users with valuable insights into their overall well-being, particularly during workouts and high-altitude activities. Moreover, the ECG functionality on the Series 9 enhances heart health monitoring, allowing users to take electrocardiograms directly from their wrist, which is not available on the SE. Aesthetic differences also come into play. The Series 9 features a sleeker design with thinner bezels, contributing to a more modern and refined look compared to the Apple Watch SE. It is worth noting that this is only noticeable when you go from using a Series 9 for an extended period of time and then decide to make the switch to the SE. Now, circling back to the double tap feature mentioned earlier, that becomes part of a larger package of enhancements in the Series 9. When considering these additional features, always on display, blood oxygen measurement, ECG functionality, and a more refined design with thinner bezels, it becomes a question of how much value these upgrades hold for you. If having the latest health tracking capabilities, a more modern design, and the convenience of an always-on display are priorities, then the Series 9 could be a worthwhile investment despite the higher price tag. However, if these features are not crucial to your needs, the SE may still offer a solid and cost-effective smartwatch experience. At first glance, the pricing contrast between the SE and the Series 9 is quite substantial, with the SE available at £219 here in the UK and the Series 9 starting at £399. This raises the critical question, is the Series 9 worth almost double the price? The Apple Watch SE, priced more affordably, offers a solid package of features, including core health and fitness functionalities, integration with the Apple ecosystem, and a sleek design. It's a reliable choice for users who seek the essentials of a smartwatch without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Series 9 commands a higher price for a reason. It introduces advanced features like the always-on display and blood oxygen measurement, and these additions cater to users with a keen interest in cutting-edge health tracking and a desire for a more refined aesthetic. Whether the Series 9 is worth the extra cost depends on individual priorities and needs. If you value the latest health tracking capabilities and a more premium design, the Series 9 may justify its higher price tag. However, if you find the features of the Apple Watch SE sufficient for your daily use and don't require the additional enhancements of the Series 9, the SE remains an excellent and cost-effective option in 2023. In conclusion, if you found your way to this video, chances are you're not necessarily in the market for every cutting-edge feature Apple has to offer, but rather seeking a reliable entry into the Apple Watch ecosystem. For those individuals, I cannot recommend the Apple Watch SE enough. It's more than a smartwatch. It's an investment in a seamless and integrated experience within Apple's ecosystem. Especially for those who have never experienced the convenience of an Apple Watch before. It's one of those devices that once you wear it, you don't want to be without. The blend of functionality, design and integration makes it a compelling accessory that effortlessly becomes a part of your daily routine. Whether you opt for the more budget-friendly Apple Watch SE or decide to invest in the enhanced features of the Series 9, the core Apple Watch experience remains consistent. A blend of style, innovation and utility that keeps you connected and informed throughout your day. It really isn't just a smartwatch, it's a companion that seamlessly fits into your lifestyle, making it a choice well worth considering for anyone looking to dive into the world of smartwatches. The Apple Watch SE is a device that genuinely cares about your well-being. The peace of mind it provides, combined with its potential life-saving capabilities, has made it by far my favourite Apple product. Apple's impactful work in the health sector should be commended, and I cannot wait to see where they take things with Apple Watch. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content like this coming soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.